So today I'm coming with a new video, and this video is about to configure a new radius server with Google Authenticator 2FA. So in this tutorial we are going to configure one new server. For this we basically required radius server and also need to install free radius. In order to install this, also we required one OS, that is Ubuntu. Everything is free, no need to pay anything. So in our organization, if someone is looking for authenticate 2FA authenticator, so we can provide this kind of solution and free of cost, totally free of cost. No need to pay a single penny for that. So before going to perform this activity, we just required an Ubuntu system. This is the Ubuntu server which I installed, and that's it. And after that, it's running on my virtual machine. And after that, you need to open a virtual your terminal. Here you need to install some commands which I'm going to demonstrate now. So first of all, we required to install one NTP server. We need to update the server. We need to install free radius, and also in the last we require to install Google Authenticator. That's it. That is very simple way. So to configure that, first we need to run. We need to update that. For that, we need to run sudo apt get update. It will take some time. Your machine should be connected with your internet. Yeah, that's it. My machine is now is updated. After that, what you have to install, you have to install a free radius. So for that, I will need to run sudo apt get install build initial lib pam0g dash tev space free radius get, and type lib code. That's it. You need to install this. As I already installed this application, so I'm not going to install this. This is a simple command, and once it installed, then we need to install the Google Authenticator. For that, we need to run one command, that is sudo apt get install lib I'm sorry, caps lock that sound. Install lib pam Google that's it. We need to install Google Authenticator. That this server is also already installed in this machine, so no need to run this command, right? So everything is done, and in the last, once you install, you need to perform some configuration in the radius server. Once you've done these configuration, You just need to test the services with Google Authenticator. For that also you have to install the Google Authenticator application in your Android or iOS mobile. If you have Apple mobile, you have to install the application, that is Google Auth. And once you install in your mobile, once you install, you just need to first you need to check that your services are fully running without any error. For that you can use this command, services free radius restart. My typo is there. Oh, I'm sorry, it's service, not services. So there is no error. I'm not getting any kind of error while I'm running that. Once you install, then you need to just simple add user and give any name like test 123. The test user is added. Now it will ask something. You have done. It's asking a password. I'm using the same username and password, test 123. Test 123. Full name you can give test. Anything you can give here. It's not compulsory for required. Yes, the information are correct. So this is a simple way. Now we need to go to the folder, and let's see it's showing there or not. So look, the test folder is already created. This is for a test user. Now what you need to do, you have to go into the test folder, cd test 123 pwd. Let me show you the correct folder. Yep. And now you need to run Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator. Whenever the application is installed, this application also, this software is also installed into your every user folder. So you need to you have to press enter. Okay. So this is your scan QR code. For that, what you need to do, you have to open your Google Authenticator, and Google Authenticator. In there you will see one option, scan QR code, and you have to scan this. I did it in my mobile. And it's asking one code, enter code from app. So we have to give the code which is reflecting in your mobile, the application which you installed. So I got this one, 953517. See, this is okay. Yes. Just press Y. That's it. And now we'll do su test 123 pwd. I'm still in here. Google Authenticator. Yeah, here it is. So you have to go into Actually, I did something wrong because I logged in into the machine with the root user, so it's giving me the QR code for root, not for this user. So what we need to do, we have to switch to the user test123, and after that we need to scan the QR code. So I did it. Now it's showing me the correct username into the application. Now it asking you enter the code, enter code from application. So here I'm going to entering the code which showing reflecting into my application, that is 167063. Press enter. Do you want to update? Yes. Yes, just yes. Okay, we are almost done, and now what we need to do, we need to switch back to the root. For that we need to run su Vikas is my root user. Sudo on the root folder. Now we can do testing. So to test that the services are the two-factor is working or not, we need to run this command red test test123 space, then we need to enter the password which you remember, test123. Now I'm sorry, test123, and we have to enter the code which is reflecting into the mobile 943192. This password is running in my Google Authenticator application, and type 18120 testing 123. So look, the password is accepted. Now let me show you the password is again. If I'm typing the another code, 6-digit code, 387285. Look, it's again. If I'm doing, if I'm typing if wrong here, like I'm typing 7 here, it's giving me an error. Its accept is rejected. Look, so my 2FA is working perfectly in the radius server. Now what we need to do, we have now our testing is done on the radius server. Now we are going to configuring this server in my on my checkpoint. I'm going to use this this radius server to authenticate into our radius server in our checkpoint. So what we need, let me log in into server 192.168.1.121. So here it is, and this is my Gaia portal of checkpoint. Yeah, so here we need to add that server into my authenticator server, that is radius server. So my server is already added here. Look, and here now I'm going to enter one more user here, that is test123, and no need, just need to define the role and no need to define the password here. That's it. So I have done. Now I'm going to log out from the server, and now I'm typing the password test123, and let me show you the password. The password is about to expire in my Google Authenticator, so I'm going to it's a new expert is 604107. So I'm going to use the same password, and here we need to type test123 and login. So I'm able to log in into my gateway, the Gaia portal. In the same way, we can use this authenticator into my in my smart dashboard. To log in here. For that, what we need to do, we have to go to the manage and setting. And we need to create here new and here we give one user test123 and authenticator. For you we are using radius, and here it will ask you which radius server you are using. I have already added one server, that is radius, free radius. I'm going to select this one and click on OK. I did not, it gave me the error because I did not select the profile for that. So I need to select the profile. I'm going to give the super user, because this is a testing environment. You can create a new profile as well. And we want to give the expiry date and everything. Then everything is performed. You can change the color and so on. So this is all about the configuration of radius server, and add that free radius and 2FA with Google Authenticator to log in into the Gaia portal or into the smart dashboard. I have configured two servers, the POC and one is test123. So we can use both of them. Now we can use this server for SSLVPN as well. To configure the SSLVPN, we need to go to the security gateway and we need to enable the blade. First you need to enable the mobile access. After that, once you enable the mobile application, then you have to go to the VPN client and go to the authentication. And in authentication, you need to we have to select the authentication method. Here it will ask you which method you are going to use. Here we are using radius, so we use there, and after selecting the radius, it asking which server you have for the radius server, and we click on OK. So it's already configured, no need to perform anything here. And for mobile access, like if you have an application, so here also we need to change the method. The authentication method would be radius only. I'm using the same free radius server. Once you done it, that we need to push the policy, and that's it. And let me show you the authentication in the let me show you the users first. And user group and group. So POC is there. Let me add one more user. Go there and user and a user. Default, we can click on default, and here we need to give the name test123 and authenticator. You can use undefined also, it will also work, but I'm using a radius and free radius test123. And once you're done, you have to add this user into the specific groups. So let me add the user to the test123 in this group, and I'm going to add that to the both groups. Test 1, 2, 3. So this is a simple way we need to install, and now we need to push the policy on the gateway. Here my secondary gateway, I have a sort of resources, so I just run one gateway, one security management server, one radio server. Because of running out of memory, I'm using only 3 servers right now. So my one server is my one firewall is turned off right now. So I'm going to push the policy on single gateway, that is 1 to 1. Wait for a moment. The changes are published. Listen. So if you need any help regarding to configure the query areas, or if you need any help to configure Check Point Gateway or any other firewall to authentication, you can just type comment on my comment on the video, and I will definitely help you. So I uncheck that because my one gateway is turned off. So I uncheck this one, because if I enable that, it will check both of the gateway clusters. If it is a fail, then it will not push the policy. Here I'm going to installing the application, installing the policy. Just run the policy, install, click on yes. Install anyway. It's giving me the error because today is the last day of evaluation licenses. Let me show you that. Look, that the license will be expired on 3rd of Jan, and this is the evaluation license, so it will be expired today only. Once policy pushed, then we will test the SSLVPN. So let me check which I'm going to using this one, SSLVPN, and click on proceed. So here I'm using test123 my username, and once the policy push, then we will use the Google Authenticator code here, because if I'm going to use right now this, then it will definitely give me an error with the authentication, because it will take some time. Now password will get changed within 1 minute, and the Google Authenticator. So let's wait for a moment until the policy can push in the gateway. So policy is about to push. Let's wait. Hope it's not giving me any error, because might be it giving an error because I made so many changes on my management server. Let's see it giving any error or not. I'm doing so many testing on the checkpoint, and after that I'm showing in front of you. If you guys facing any issue, please let me know. Just comment on my video. I will definitely try to help you. This is free radio server, totally free. No need to pay single penny to anyone. Ubuntu is also free, and your Google Authenticator is also free. You can integrate it with LDAP also if you want. So it's going to be very easy to handle the users. So access policy get failed on HA2 because the gateway is not available. Let's see the next one. As I uncheck that, now let's wait for a moment, please. We can use this free radius to authenticate it into the Gaia portal or smart dashboard and SSLVPN. It will make a very secure environment, as the 2FA is required to log in into your machine, to log in into the security devices or your environment, network environment. So finally, the policy has been pushed. Now we can close this session, and let's log in there. So what we need to copy here, test 1 2 3, and give the password. I'm just going to type here because to show you that our 2FA is working fine. 666. So do Control X and type here test 1 2 3. Let me paste it, and then Control Z. Let me Control paste and log in. Look, the 2FA is working perfectly fine. So we need to connect that, and we can use to SSLVPN without any issue, without any cost, without anything. No need of maintenance. Nothing is required here. So it's totally free of cost. So I request to you, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice